Hello, people. Welcome to the Monday before Thanksgiving break in technology classes, both sixth grade and seventh grade. Today's assignment is not too difficult. I just did this quick screencast-o-matic for you to watch it. I'll still talk to you at Zoom, but basically, all you're going to do is in Google Classroom, once you get there, answer your Bell-work question. So make sure you do that. And then the assignment today, I'm going to go over to classwork here. You are going to see is to create a Thanksgiving poster. All right. So you're going to use Google Draw or Drawings to create that, and it should include some images and text. All right. So we haven't used Google Drawing in a while. Some of you maybe have never used that before. So what you're going to do, make sure when you view this assignment, you're going to hit that Add Create button, and then go down to Google Drawings. It is not Google Docs. It's Google Drawings. There's a difference. I'm going to go to Google Drawings here. A different way, just because I have to, but maybe this isn't even the best way to do it. Go ahead and do it real quick here. Google Drawing. All right. So, but you're just going to be able to hit Add and Create. So the nice thing about Google Drawings is that it allows you to do some things that are fancier in it. So, for example, I'm going to go to Insert Word Art. All right, and once I go to Insert Word Art, let's say I do Happy Thanksgiving, like so. And so here's my text, my font. And what I can do with that I can't do in Google Docs is I can color in the inside. So for example, like so, I can color in the outside with a different color, like so. And then I can make that outside edge like thicker. I even make it even thicker, like so. Right, that would be really thick, but you're kind of getting the idea there. I also can change the font style, but right now it's Arial. Let's say I switch it to the Luckiest Guy. We get something like that. Kind of cool looking. Okay. If I go back here, let's do a little different color here. Maybe make it, I don't know, a little more fallish. Maybe not quite like that. Maybe like this. You get something like that. All right. Also under the paint bucket, you have all these different single colors. Then you have something called gradients. And you can do any of these gradient colors as well, which kind of is like a fade. And you can also do custom gradients. So you can pick colors, you can make it go linear, it's called. You can add more colors to it. So for example, maybe I want this color, and maybe for the heck of it, I'll do black to show you, and hit OK. And you can get stuff like that. So there's lots of gradient colors that you can do. That doesn't look very good, but you kind of got the idea. All right, so happy Thanksgiving. Now, I also can right-click on the background here and pick a color for the background, like so. All right, so color that in. And then if I go to Insert, Images, a couple different ways to do this. I can search the web. Let's say I want a turkey, all right, for my picture. And I do a search here for a turkey. Maybe I want turkey clip art, all right. So then it's going to be more like so. And I can click on this and hit Insert, and that's going to put that turkey in there as well, all right. And from there, I can do some other things as well in terms of adding more pictures or something like that. Let's go back here to Insert Image. Let's say upload from, search the web, and let's say I do a pie, apple pie. Let's say, or pumpkin pie. Let's do pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. We'll see what comes up here. And I want to show you something. So if you have a square like this, and I'm going to insert that, or rectangle, I should say, it doesn't look great in terms of having just a rectangle on there, but you have this option to go up to this button right here that crops it, and you can hit this drop down right here, and you can crop this by a shape. And so for example, maybe I want to turn it into a circular shape. So I select that circle, and then I can get something like that. Maybe it looks a little bit better than just a rectangle. And then I can also go to the edges on it, and maybe I want to put a 3-point black line around the edge of it. All right, so maybe I want to do a Happy Thanksgiving collage, and I could do some other pictures here of mashed potatoes and stuffing and so on. So anyhow, I think you guys are kind of getting the idea. You need to include some images, some text, and then make it look nice. Make a little poster. Take you about 10 minutes. All right. So anyhow, bell work, some typing, and then create this poster, and that is all you have to do today. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.